Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D. News time. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and my sisters. Yes, if I tell una say I'm not dey happy for the job when Nnamdi Kanu dey do, now be say I'm not dey sincere to myself. If I tell Nigerian people say I'm not dey happy wetin Sowore dey do, now be say I'm not dey sincere to myself. You get? Look, Funky D don't tell all of una before. Say whether you be Yoruba, you be Igbo, you be Efik, you be Ibibio, you be Ejo, you be Edo, you be Delta, you be Niger Delta. Anywhere when you come from in that country, and you know say the government they oppress you, that is this APC government led by Jubri and Abba Kyari and Mama Daura, Osebanjo Shomole, Bola Tinubu. If you know say you dey among the people where they oppress, join hand together for the revolution now. Join hand together with Nnamdi Kanu. Join hand together with Sowore. Omoyele Sowore. I don't tell una before, if you go back to some of my videos, not even 3, not 4, not 5 videos, a lot of videos when I don't make, when I don't tell una say, man, the only way to succeed, the only way to survive in that country, when be Nigeria, with the situation on ground, concerning this APC and PDP, not to come together, na unity. And I don't tell her before, predict her many times, talk her many times, say man, Nnamdi Kanu and the Sowore must to come together to do this thing together, and we go follow them. You understand? We go be their followers, then go be our leaders. Now so I don't tell her before many times, say man, it is better that Nnamdi Kanu and Sowore work together. It is better they come together so that we go fit achieve this thing when all of us they agitate for, because not be only one person in that country they marginalized by APC government. All of us are in danger. All of us are being oppressed by APC government led by Buhari and Abba Kyari. So Funky D say in they happy. You understand? They see Nnamdi Kanu, they support Sowore. And now so Funky D still want make everybody when they support Nnamdi Kanu, make them follow that they support Sowore. Sowore people go come to support Nnamdi Kanu. All of us go join hand together. Because now evil forces, now they cause all this when they happen in Nigeria. When APC government they don't want change. PD people they don't want change. Because the time when we say we're going to talk, say, oh, this one, this one, that time don't pass. We don't see the situation on ground. See, man, not be something when we say we go fit, we stand with this kind of a division when they among all of us when be Nigerian people. Because united we stand, divided we fall. I don't explain to una before how these Fulani people take unite to the deal with us. How this APC government and PDP take unite together to the deal with us. Say we not need to scatter ourselves. We not need this unity among ourselves. We need cooperation. We need to come together. We need unity to fight these fights. So all of us don't see the way when the Fulani people and the Hausa people then gang up together against we when be the in fact now we can be majority. And now we can't get the resources in that nation. Now we can't they suffer in their hand. Now they can't they intimidate and oppress with DSS, police, army, and whatnot. You understand? Then they can't pick some people among, some people from southeast and south join together with them. Those people go they propagate with them. Why they are the people, enjoying the resources of the nation. So we need to come together. We don't need to say, you not be this, you not be that. So for that reason, no. We know they do like that. We not want to do like that. We not want to continue in that part. Because if we continue in that part, even APC, when they talk, say they're not good, they go come better pass us. And then come go, they laugh us 247, say we not fit do nothing. And now they laugh when they laugh us. Because we know, say, even this one now, when they arrest people, when they arrest, they intimidate people. When they reach inside their office, then go balance, they drink champagne, they laugh at us. I mean, the Nigerian politicians, the APC political criminals. Now laugh, then they laugh at us. Say, we cannot be able to do them anything. So that is why you see they are not changing, they are not listening, they don't want to listen, they don't want to change, they don't want to do nothing for you, they don't want to put anything in place because they know that we are truly divided. And I mean that they get that guts to they do the things what they do. And I mean that they get that guts to the oppressors 247. So my recommendation for everybody, wherever you dey, Funky D say make we come together. Because these people, when be APC people, they come together. That is why they are able to do what they do to us. Because if we see say the APC, they know that they do, although we know say they get internal fight. But this kind of wickedness, whether the wicked Nigerian people, then come together against Nigerian people. They know they are looting our resources. They know they are looting our money. They know they are looting our treasury. Yes. Now, we don't tell them before the election. Although we know see nobody voted for Buhari. But the time when this Buhari thing entered that place, that 2019 election when Una do in that country, where they say then do, where they claim say then do, where they take many people. As soon as Una see say Una won't be Nigerian people, see say the election was rigged, nobody do anything. Everybody full hand they wait for Atiku Abubakar to go to court and come back. Atiku Abubakar himself not even fit to rise up because he knows say he did together with these people. Atiku Abubakar not fit do nothing. He just wait. Instead of to protest against the rigging, against INEC and APC government, the man nothing. Now, they don't come carry 30,000 minimum wage. In fact, deceive 200 million Nigerian people again. Make us see another deceive from this Joe Breeze government. 30,000 minimum wage where they don't shout, say now they go they pay, take deceive on now. When she worry tell her say him go pay 100,000. Before you know, some people come from nowhere come they ask some kind of questions like say they not even enter primary school. Like this China television people and some other television stations when they call Showore. The man say because we know say Showore have good heart for Nigerian people. He have Nigerian people in his heart. He know we are suffering. That is why we continue to support him and then Nnamdi Kanu without relenting. Now, Buhari government don't come, use 30,000 minimum wage, deceive Una. All of Una. See they mumu, they follow this man. Now, at the end of the day, when the thing come out now, I not see them in the paper. When this same Buhari and his APC people, they don't debunk the 30,000 minimum wage. They don't debunk them. And Una see they there. Some people, somebody like Garba Shehu, they come out in channel television to the third word. What is the third word? Where we don't know waiting that one get to tell the word. When he know say, their game is over. Their game, APC game and PDP game is over. We don't discover the people who wanna be. Nigerian people don't know who wanna be. That is why nobody is supporting APC and nobody should be supporting APC or PDP. These are dangerous human beings. These are dangerous people to Nigerians. These are dangerous government. Dangerous political parties. So now, The 30,000 minimum wage, they don't sweep them under the carpet. Just like the way when they want to sweep this Jubiri issue. Funky D say the Jubiri issue no go under the carpet. We no go allow the Jubiri issue go under the carpet. We no go allow this Ruga issue go under the carpet. We no go allow Hesmin and the Boko Haram ISWAP issue to go under the carpet. We no go allow the injustice when Jubiri they perpetrate on Nigerian people. We no go allow them. We no go sweep them under the carpet. We continue to speak against the injustice. We will continue to speak against the killings. We will continue to speak against the arrest of political oppositions when Jubiri locked up. We no go relent on this Sowore issue. We will continue to speak this matter, and we no go sweep this revolution under the carpet, because now only through this revolution Nigerian people they go gain their freedom. Only when APC and PDP no more in that country, now that time Nigerian people go get their freedom, total freedom. When we are not hearing about APC and PDP, now that time Nigerian people will get total freedom. And when be the politicians, when they that country, when be APC and PDP people, make una stop to the come and they tell us about unity, because we don't already know, see, the unity when they preach. Now how una want take rob us the more. We know they believe una. Now, the army and the Nigerian police, when they that country, Funky D say time don't reach. Time don't reach for una to the pull on a uniform. Make una they join the crowd. Make una they join the masses. Make una they join the revolution now. Because now una, when be the police and the army, when they that country, now una they suffer, pass from this APC government. Because we don't see una where una they cry, where una they shout 247. For places where they push una go do what una they go do. They say they know they do una well, they know they pay una. So time don't reach. Even the places where una they live, una barrack, everything. Una supposed to say, if this man they call Jubiri send on our hotel and say, no, look at our barrack. Look at where our children they live. Look at where our wife they live. Look at where our family they live. So time don't reach when I will come join together with the masses. Una no see Nigerian people, they not be una enemy. So time don't reach for una to come together to join the masses. To join this revolution now. You understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, the matter when I bring come for now today, now this Funky D say we not they believe APC government, we not they believe PDP government. Funky D say everybody when they that nation, when they call Nigeria, make gonna join Sowore and Nnamdi Kanu on this, revolution now. Make gonna join them together. I don't tell you before. Like I said, make gonna go watch some of my videos. Videos when I don't make before, when I don't talk. They coming together with Nnamdi Kanu and Sowore. Another thing when they play out. Another thing when we want to see. Another people when we want to follow. And these people, like I said before, now them be the Mandelas of our time. These people then get something upstairs to give us. Then get something upstairs to give to Nigerian people. Not be APC and PDP. So you understand? These people are the people when we say we go fit trust them. Because they are against the injustice and they are against the oppression. The oppression what they get from Nigerian government. The oppression what they get from APC people. So, now these people, I mean APC government, this Nnamdi Kanu and Sowore, now the people who will the queue at their back right now. More just they follow them. Because we don't see Nnamdi Kanu, we don't see Nnamdi Kanu total support for Sowore, and we don't see Sowore total support for Nnamdi Kanu. So, and the Funky D say in belief, say they are coming together, go yield out good fruits. Sure you understand? So, the thing what we need to do right now, ladies and gentlemen, now to follow these two people. Make we they listen to them. Make we they queue at their back. Anything where they say make we they do. Now him, we go do so that all those APC and PDP, their eye go they pepper them well. They never begin see anything. Not even this one now when Showore never even open mouth to mention revolution. All the whole Aso Rock don't scatter. All the whole Aso Rock don't crumble. Buhari they find where he won't put head. And they say in a military general, a former military general. APC people, show me like they do faga. Bola Tinubu all over they do faga. They just suddenly gang up together. Go arrest Showore because in talk say we need revolution. We need revolution. We will continue to support Omoyele Showore and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now this matter when I get for now. 100% without relenting, ladies and gentlemen. Anywhere where you dey in the world, more begin follow these people. Because now these people, through these two men, these two Mandela of our era, now only through them we will fit get the kind of freedom when the Nigerian people desire. Do you get? The only thing when Funkidi they pray day in and day out be say make this Fulani people make it be say they even go their own way so that the people they will be able to manage us and manage Nigeria and manage our resources squarely without this evil Fulani killers. When we see now them they destroy our people, they rape our wife, they kidnap people, they cut people's neck, you know. So, now so the matter be, ladies and gentlemen. Funky DC, now so the matter be. Now we don't hear now say kidnappers when they that country, when Jubri and APC people keep quiet. Although we know say now then they sponsor them. The kidnappers now police and army that they kidnap now. Now police and army. And according to the news, the one when they kidnap in Delta State today. Ladies and gentlemen, they paid 3 million. And one policeman, when they kidnap, what they call Okoro and Ute Ogboje. Now Ute Ogboje, the man, in fact, the man not be ordinary policeman, a DPO. Now they kidnap. Now, when see where then they go pay ransom for a DPO. You know, say you when be ordinary person, waiting to go. If your family not get money, waiting, you think say go happen to your life. So that is why we need changes. We need a fresh thing. We need people that have fresh ideas. Not all these old people, all these old guards. When we see all of them don't run out of ideas. Now, whether they kidnap DPO, my question to you when be my viewer, I say that they kidnap DPO, that they pay 3 million naira for ransom. Whether they release them. You won't be ordinary person if them catch you for road or by mistake. God forbid bad thing. What you to say go happen if your family not get money. DPO get money. That is why you see say they free DPO. All these people where they pay money for a whole police that they beg that they go pay ransom to kidnappers. Now you see the insecurity situation in that country. Now wahala. Now in fact it's completely alarming. That they kidnap army. You won't be ordinary citizen when you not get gun, you not get nothing to fight kidnappers. Look, the insecurity problem in Nigeria is alarming. Whether APC they deny or they not they deny, it not concern anybody again. What we want na revolution so that we go begin take care of ourselves. Since Buhari government not get security to secure his citizens. In abroad, now government, now them they secure their citizens. Now government they secure their citizens. And when they talk say, when get democracy, fake democracy. You get democracy when you they hear American people everywhere, even in their White House, every time that they talk and say they want impeach Trump. You don't hear say they catch somebody when talk say he want impeach Trump. You don't hear that one day. That is to show you that there is democracy in America. And Nigeria has no democracy. Now, so when I talk revolution, now talk and talk. Then go catch am. Where that democracy dey. If not so, America for not arrest everybody when they talk say they want impeach Donald Trump. Whether they take and they sing music say they want impeach Donald Trump. So we never talk about say you want to do protest. Una talk say una come to talk say in commit treasonable felony. That's why I don't tell una say I don't know the primary school and secondary school when una go. Una when be say una the things say now una get the una they operate as a barrister and lawyers and all that in that nation called Obodo Nigeria. Funky D. Now this matter when I get for now one warranting. Yeah, no. I don't tell una all of una when they Nigeria, the youth, the women, the men, wherever you dey in this world, make una begin join Sowore and Nnamdi Kanu now. These are the people that will give us what we want. These are the people, you understand, that will give us hope when we want. Buhari, with APC, with PDP, there is nothing like hope. You aren't getting no hope from APC or PDP. You are wasting your time if you are thinking that anything we want to change under APC or PDP, under Atiku Abubakar or under Jobri, aka Buhari, or under Abba Kyari and Mama Daura, or under this man when then they come out now, Bola Tinubu or Arafai. So my call today, we say, make everybody join hand together with Nnamdi Kanu and Sowore. Once again, I appreciate you, Nnamdi Kanu, for your job. Well done. Alright. God bless you, everybody. Funky D. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you know, say you never subscribed to Funky D before, begin subscribe right now. You know, say you never share my videos before, begin share them. Share and scatter. Share and give APC and PD people. Tell them, say, under them, we have no single hope. Let them know, say, now wayo, anything, even their greeting, good morning, now wayo, good afternoon, now wayo, I mean the APC political parties. Anything when they utter from their mouth, na frauds. Osinbajo, all of una, na frauds. Na so, na them matter, when I get for una. One love, everybody. If you know, say you never comment before, begin comment. Comment to Funky D. No wala. Funky D. Not get any enemy. Funky D na water, and water not get enemy. I don't tell you what not tell you, whether you like it or not. Na so it be, and na so it be. God bless you, and one love. Bye.